guys, I'm doing a review of this Marc Angelo chicken breast kebabs, Soulvaki. As you can see, there's a variety pack. This was on sale, and you can see it's also gluten-free. Check that out. So I need it. It was on sale because it was gonna expire, so I need to cook it up. So there you go. There's the ingredients. And yeah, I'm gonna cook it up. I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer though, and then we'll see how well it turns. So basically, the conventional oven, they want 425, 220, and for about 18 minutes. I'll probably do air fryers cook way faster, so I'll probably do like 14 or 13 minutes at 190.
Pieces
so.
of wood
All
out
right,
of
guys,
there, but
stay tuned. I'll be back.
do a quick taste test. It's all cooked up in the air fryer. Definitely got good flavor. It's actually quite good. It's got a little bit of a spice to it. It's really well seasoned. It's got like almost like a lime to it as well. So, but it's you can totally overcook this. So you've got to be careful. If you overcook it, this meat will be dry. So for sure. So, but other than that, it's pretty good, guys. I didn't actually overcook it too bad. So, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.